Alma of the Airwaves. Lucky just finishing his lunch on March 13th, 2021. There is a happy birthday balloon. These are my party glasses. I cannot see anything. Today is March 13th, and it is my one and only son's Ahi's birthday. Happy birthday. March 13th, 1990 is, for me, the most important date in the 20th century. There is absolutely no doubt about that. You're my life. You're my higher power. Happy birthday. Have a look at the cake we got for you. Of course, it's a cheesecake. And of course, it's with fruits because you like them. So, yeah, here are your presents. Your favorite Versace. You get set noise canceling, actually. Beautiful headphones. So now the question is, how do I get them to you? And of course, your painting. Almost ready. I'm struggling with the face, with your face. Okay, the face color. Happy birthday. You are my life. I got some baby's pictures in the morning. Oh my God, 31 years ago. You know Freud, of course, Dr. Spock, in his book, writes that, oh, you think your baby is so cute when they're 2 or 3 or 5? Wait until they're 50. So true. I love you more with each passing day. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for every birthday you get in the year. This is our day. Happy birthday, my dear. The morning was beautiful. A little bit from the park. And, yep, celebrations, full speed. Absolutely. I mean, we're celebrating all day. I got up at 3 a.m. because I couldn't wait. We're 7 hours behind, and I just couldn't wait for the celebrations. Don't forget to turn to change your clocks tonight, springing forward, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is definitely Sunday. Yes, I'm not gonna mix that today again. Ready? Okay, Miss Piggy. Lucky. Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ahi. Happy birthday to you. We miss you. Okay, make a wish.